So JP from Tim Hortons and Scott from Body Fit here with the ice cream eating contest.
Indeed.
So, what do you think? Who's going to pull it down today?
Arashi Do Martial Arts.
Really?
We have no restrictions on calories here.
Right, but you understand that people from Body Fit, we're not allowed to eat sugar more than once every couple of weeks, so we're desperate.
Yeah, the
so
higher likelihood of being lactose intolerant.
Well, I suppose that's a possibility. I'm worried about the insulin coma after, but
exactly.
I'm pretty committed to throwing it down.
And we are brain freeze trained.
Brain freeze trained. Well,
yeah,
you might have us in that corner, but
exactly.
We've all been on a diet forever, so I think.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of system rejection going on.
Yeah, this could be good though. I think because we're hungry. I'm just putting it out there. We're hungry.
And this is just a normal afternoon. Always in the game. Always in the game.
What did you do in preparation for this event today?
Huge breakfast, no lunch.
Right. So I rode my bike for 2.5 hours at a level 9. 2,500 calories burnt today. So I'm at a deficit.
Yeah, but that's a stomach shrinking endeavor.
Well, we will see. So stomach expansion or stomach shrinking, who will the winner be? Okay, so we're here at the ice cream competition at the Big Moo, and we're waiting for Durian. We got the Body Fit team. They're pretty excited. You guys excited? All right. I taunted the Arashi Do people. I said we've been on a diet forever, so they have no chance because we're starving. You know, we don't get ice cream, right? Well, you don't need to, and that's good. But yeah, this is what we have to do. This should be a good time. Durian needs to hurry up. We got our butts handed to us by the Arashi Do kid. 40 seconds. Unbelievable. As you can see, we need more practice at ice cream eating, right? We need more practice.
I know how many burpees it takes to finish All right, Casey, we're dismissing you.
Well done. Casey is our champion for Body Fit. Well done.
Mike! Go!
Come on, Casey!
Oh, no!
Kick on, Brendan! Come on, Brendan!
Come on, Casey! Oh, there's more left! There's more in there! That's not all of it!
All right, 10 seconds!
Casey, that was awesome.
Good job.
That was brilliant.
Yeah, proud winner of ice cream for the whole